This painting is titled Moments of Eternal Love, the second series. It's an 18 by 24 inch acrylic painting and part of a series that captures the timeless connection between a mother and her child. I began the process with a simple sketch, carefully planning out the composition. From there, I move on to outlining the main forms, establishing a silhouette of a mother cradling her child. Next came the underpainting. I started with a sunset using warm, glowing tones to represent the deep warmth and comfort of a mother's love. Then I built up the sky, blending subtle gradients to create a peaceful and emotional atmosphere. With the background in place, I move on to the centerpiece, the mother and child. But I choose to portray them not as living figures, but as giant statues. This transformation is symbolic. Statues stand the test of time, and so does a mother's love, strong and moving and eternal. You'll notice the cracks on the stone, and through those cracks, nature begins to grow. Trees emerge, roots find their way, and life takes hold. These details remind us that even something strong and still can be full of life and growth. A waterfall flows down the statue's surface, adding movement, softness, and a sense of healing. It also symbolizes how emotion flows freely from a mother's heart, even when her love is quiet and still like stone. As I added more layers and refined the details, highlights, textures, shadows, I wanted the statue to feel both ancient and alive, a monument not only to motherhood, but to love that nurtures, protects, and lasts through every season of life. Thank you for watching the process behind Moments of Eternal Love, the second series. I hope this painting speaks to you and reminds you of the quiet strength of eternal presence of a mother's love.